The law offices of Spar Bernstein with two locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at
1-800-LAW.
Immigration Link. You're live.
Hi, good afternoon. Question for Brad. A U.S. citizen filing for our parent. Well, how long does it take, and what forms do I need to fill out for him?
I-130 visa petition. It'll take about a year.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right. Let's take another call right here while I eat on the airwaves. Immigration Link.
Yes, Brad, I got a question for you, man. I'm married to an American citizen. I have a 2-year conditional status. It's up a year ago, last December. I filed for adjustments and all the papers in. And I received a letter like a week or so ago from immigration stating that I was to send additional documentation before August. But I never received any letter from them before that or anything concerning any additional documentation. What should I do with this case now?
Who sponsored you?
My wife.
Okay, where is she?
She's right here. She's American.
You did an adjustment of status, right?
Yes.
And did you go on the interview?
Yes, we did an interview. We got the 2-year conditional. And after the 2-year up, before the 2-year up, we sent the application in for the 10-year green card, for the adjustment.
Right.
We did all that, and we didn't get no response from them. We called a couple of times, and they said it's still pending. Then I received a letter 2 weeks ago stating I had to file a motion because of they sent me a letter concerning more documentation, which I never received such a letter from them.
Where did you get the letter from? Where did it come from?
It comes from Vermont.
From the Vermont Service Center. Do a motion
Yes.
to reopen and then submit all the documentation that you can possibly come up with to prove that you and your wife are living in a valid marriage. You only have 30 days from the date you get the denial letter.
Yes, but the letter I received, they said the motion was to be filed before August 3rd. Before September 3rd, and I received a letter from them September 18th.
Well, do you have the envelope? When was it mailed?
It was mailed on September 20th.
Okay, so then you have, as far as I'm concerned, you have to keep your envelope. You have 30 days from the time you received from the time it was mailed to you, which was September 20th. Where they're trying to screw around with you a little bit. So keep the envelope as proof that that's when it was mailed out.
Okay, so I was thinking to write a congressman first and see how you can help me out with that.
Yeah, I think you're definitely going to need help. You need the help of a lawyer, definitely.
Okay, thank you, man.
All right, so make sure you link up with Brad Bernstein, of course, my friend.
Definitely.
All right, 1-800-LAW Link. You know that.
I got you.
All right, $120 for the consultation. You know that.
Yes, I know that, sir.
All right, man. Thanks.
Okay, sweet.
All right, let's continue with the calls right here on the Immigration Link. We continue on Linkup Radio. You're live.
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, hi. Brad, I have a problem. My father filed for me in 89, and my daughter was on my paperwork, but I didn't bring her up. She kept getting letters, and somebody had brought her up without, without protection.
How old is she now?
She is 20. I took her to a lawyer, and I explained the situation. He told me that it's fine. I could file for her. So he did that. They sent me a letter. They deny the adjustment, and they approve the I-30.
Right. Because you're only a green card holder.
No, I'm a citizen.
Oh, you're a citizen?
Yes, I am.
So why would they deny the adjustment? Because you had no proof that anything was filed for her before April 30th, 2001. But you need to get proof of the you have the I-130 approved. Where's the paperwork from when your dad put her on when your dad filed for you?
I would have to get that paperwork because I moved and I lost my.
Right. When you see, the problem with immigration is the right hand doesn't even look at the left hand, let alone the right hand doesn't know what the left hand is doing. So when you're trying to grandfather a child in, yeah, it's very easy for the immigration officer to go look in the file and say, yeah, she was included on your dad's case. She had something filed before April 30th, 2001. She's grandfathered in. Yeah, it's easy for them to do, but they don't do it. And you want to know why they don't do it? Because they get the same paycheck at the end of the week, whether you get approved or your daughter gets approved or you don't get approved. So, whatever's easiest for them to get rid of a case, whether approving it or denying it, that's what they do. So you have to submit documentation to them with the application that's filed with your daughter to prove that she did have something filed before April 30th, 2001, and that would be the documentation from when your dad filed for you. Luckily, the I-130 was approved. You're a U.S. citizen under the Child Status Protection Act. Even if she turns 21, she's still considered under 21 for immigration purposes. So as soon as you get that documentation, you can file a new adjustment application.
So, Brad, I would have to come and see you to get that, or I would have to contact the embassy in Jamaica. How would you?
No, you're not going to. The embassy's not going to have anything. You have to either do a Freedom of Information Act request or an I-824 for a duplicate approval notice. I would suggest you come in and see me. The lawyer did not do his job, whoever that first lawyer was.
Right.
Found out that he have screwed up many people also, and I didn't know. I keep trying to get him to call him, and he's not responding. After I took all the letters, and he said he have never seen anything like that, which was really funny.
Well, here's what
I know what happened, and I didn't even have to look at it. I know what happened. He didn't prove that your daughter had anything filed before April 30th, 2001, so the case adjustment was denied.
Okay.
All right. You got to prove it to immigration. It's not enough to say go to immigration. Say go look in the system. They're not going to look.
Okay.
All right. So that's the problem.
Well, I will be coming in to see you, sir.
All right.
All right, so get rid of that attorney you have now and link up with Brad Bernstein, all right?
Oh, real Sean, okay.
All right, 1-800-LAW-LINK.